Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you butterfly and I will color it as rainbow. For this picture I take black felt pen, blue, sky blue, light green, yellow, orange, red and pink. Firstly I take black felt pen and I'm starting my drawing from the left top corner of the picture. From this box I should color 6 boxes down. Now go diagonally to the right and I'm coloring 1 box. Go down diagonally and coloring 2 boxes to the right. Again go down diagonally and coloring 2 boxes to the right. Now go down diagonally to the left and coloring 2 boxes horizontally. From this box go diagonally to the left and coloring 4 boxes down. Turning to the right diagonally and coloring 2 boxes down. Here 1 box to the right. And now I'm coloring 3 boxes one by one diagonally to the right and top. From this box go diagonally to the right and up and coloring 8 boxes up. Here 1 box to the left, 1 box diagonally to the left and top, and now go diagonally to the left and coloring 4 boxes to the left horizontally. From this box skip 1 box to the right and coloring here 8 boxes down. Here 1 box. And here 1 box. Now 1 box diagonally to the left. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 2 boxes vertically. From this box go diagonally to the right and coloring 1 box. And go diagonally to the right and coloring 2 boxes up. From this box go to the right and coloring 1 box. Now go diagonally to the right coloring 1 box. Now go diagonally to the right and coloring 4 boxes horizontally to the right. From this box go diagonally to the right and now go down and coloring 6 boxes. Now turning to the left diagonally and coloring 1 box. Now turning to the left diagonally and coloring 2 boxes horizontally here. Go diagonally to the left coloring 2 boxes horizontally again. Now turning to the right diagonally and coloring 2 boxes here horizontally. Go diagonally to the right and coloring 4 boxes down. Now turning to the left diagonally and coloring 2 boxes here vertically. Now from this box go to the left and coloring 4 boxes one by one diagonally to the left and top. Now I take red felt pen and I will color this butterfly. So mark these 3 boxes and color them by red. And here the same 3 boxes at the corner, coloring by red. Now I take orange felt pen, I mark these 3 boxes diagonally and here 4 boxes diagonally. and I should color this part by orange. And here the same. Here 3 boxes and 4 boxes here. And by orange felt pen I should color these 3 boxes and here 3 boxes. Now I take yellow felt pen. I mark these 3 boxes diagonally by yellow and here 4 boxes. And this part I am coloring by yellow. And also here 2 boxes here and 3 boxes diagonally here. These 5 boxes will be yellow. And from this side also 5 boxes I should mark. And here 3 boxes diagonally this and 4 boxes here. I'm coloring. Now I take light green felt pen and mark these 2 boxes and these 2 boxes by green. They will be green. Here 4 boxes like this, and here 3 boxes and 3 boxes at this part, and here 3 boxes and 3 boxes diagonally here. So I'm coloring. Now I take blue felt pen, mark these 3 boxes here vertically and 3 boxes vertically here, and I'm coloring these boxes by blue. And now I take sky blue felt pen and coloring these white boxes, all these white boxes by sky blue. Now I take pink felt pen and I color this box, this and this by pink. And again I take yellow felt pen and color these 4 boxes by yellow. That's all. My rainbow butterfly is finished. As you see, it's very simple pixel art picture, very colorful. If you like it, my picture, my idea, please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.